Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter Camera. That's what's responsible for all this.
It is the most detailed, high-resolution photography and mapping of the moon that's ever taken place.
The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter Camera.
LROC for short.
LROC started this mission in 2009 and completed it in 2015.
It's in orbit just 30 miles above the moon. So compare that to Google Earth, where those satellites are 260 miles above the Earth, and that gives you an idea of how fantastic this photography is.
We discover a landscape where craters look like abstract flower drawings. The topography key is a cacophony of color, and the darkest places actually hold the keys to sustaining life. Water.
It turns out is these craters are filled with ice.
Highlights include the landing sites where some of the 12 humans that stepped out on the moon's surface hung out.
With Apollo 14, this is the Morrow Highlands. And if you follow to the left and to the right, you can actually see the tracks of the exploration vehicles that they took out in both directions.
Lots of lunar love also goes to the Tycho crater photograph.
Down on the bottom left of the moon, there's this beautiful explosion of white. This is one of the best close-up photographs of what the crater actually looks like. It's like being on the moon. We're getting views that nobody except those who have been to the moon ever had.
The museum also has a planetarium show in conjunction with this exhibition where you can fly over some of the very craters that you see here. Both the show and this exhibition run through January 13th. In Bradenton, Virginia Johnson, Spectrum Bay News 9.